Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. Today's job lead is for those of you who want to be in the healthcare field and who do not want to be on the phone. We'll keep this video very, very short, but as always, if this job lead is not for you, please leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I always want the ones that I share to be helpful to someone. But with that being said, the healthcare company Carecentrix is hiring a customer service expert for fax. That is right, non-phone fax line. They are offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus, and fortunately, this is for my United States folks only. The minimum pay is $16.35 an hour, and the maximum pay is listed at $20 an hour. However, it looks like they start people off at the $16.35 an hour mark, and then you have additional bonus opportunities from there. Now, what they are looking for is they are looking for someone to be the first point of contact for the patients needing home health care. So you'll be responsible for receiving and responding to incoming faxes from providers, referral sources, and potential patients by collecting and entering clinical and demographic information into their portal. So you'll be reviewing faxes and responding to those faxes and some data entry. So specifically, they are looking for someone who is passionate about healthcare and believes that one of the ways that they can help is improve the quality of access to healthcare in the home. They are looking for someone who enjoys working in a fast-paced environment, who has strong attention to detail, and has the ability to communicate professionally. They do need someone who has a high school diploma or GED, a minimum of 1 year experience of customer service. So very minimal experience is required, only 1 year experience in a customer service role, and customer service can be transferable skills. So anything that you've ever worked that has customer service, and most jobs have a customer service aspect of it. If you've done babysitting, if you've worked retail running a cash register, if you've worked in a retail store helping customers find what aisle items are on, if you've worked in a restaurant serving food, anything like that can be customer service. It does not have to be a call center customer service, so very minimal experience. They do need someone who is a great communicator and has good computer skills. Now again, the starting pay for new hires is $16.35 an hour. It says they have a monthly incentive bonus opportunity, and the pay range that they have that goes up to $20 an hour reflects future growth. They do offer full benefits, including health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.